Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade only for my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe it's necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. They stopped just hit at 9:36. I was in this trade for 20 minutes. Let's recap. This is Palantir on the 1 minute chart. So green line, this green line is the low of yesterday. This green line is the low someday back then. So I was thinking taking this trade here, bearish, or since the pattern form above, but never retested. I wasn't sure, so I didn't take this break. So of course it worked, and then I was waiting for a setup in this area here, which it gave me in this channel here. It broke here. I enter here, my target was up here, the stop was down here, but of course it didn't work. And also broke this, this trend line here was right here, but it didn't follow through. That's the chances we take, but sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work. The point is to stay consistent. Doesn't matter what happens. So that's the trade for today. I took the trade bait because it met my criteria, managed risk correctly, and exit where my plan said to exit. The market didn't follow through, and I accept that without fighting it. Today wasn't about being right, it was about being consistent. I'll review this later and show up tomorrow with the same rules. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.